Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to place a test order in Shopify. So you can only place a test order if you have taken the plan of Shopify and you have added your payment gateway. So first of all, you have to just go and select a plan here. You have to take up a plan. For example, go to the choose plan and here you can just buy any of the plan you want. Right, and then you have to go to the payment section and you have to click on choose a provider. Then only you will able to test a product. So for example, if I'll just go to and select a Stripe here. So do a test order, you have to just go and add a choose provider. And first of all, you will get this option of bogus, right? So let me show you. For example, if I just go and choose another provider here, and for the testing process, you will get this a bogus gateway. You have to click on it and you have to click on reactivate, right? And it has been reactivated. Now you can just go to your store, right? You can just go to your store and place an order and it will work, right? So of course you need to have a plan. So I will just go and click on add to cart. I will go open my, just I will go for the checkout, and here I don't have a plan, that's why I'm just getting this error. But in your case, you will able to place a test order. That's really simple. Just make sure that in the payment section you have to choose a bogus gateway. So this is it guys, I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.